tumble out of bed and I stumble in the kitchen for myself a cup of fair fishing and yawn and stretch and try to come alive. Well, I jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the street, the traffic starts jumping and folks like me on the job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Early getting by, so taking that no giving, they just use your mind and they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5, for service and devotion. You would think that I would deserve a fat promotion. Want to move ahead, the boss wants to let you. I swear sometimes that man is out to get me. Woo. Well, they let you dream just to watch them shatter. You're just a step on the boss man's ladder, but you got dreams and